Hello everyone and welcome back to MoneyXGrab channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that not only enriches your audience's lives, but also boosts your income, hosting virtual events and workshops on YouTube. I'm your host Amber, and I can't wait to share the secrets of turning your passion into a profitable venture. Imagine this, reaching a global audience from the comfort of your own space. Virtual events and workshops on YouTube provide an incredible opportunity to connect with people around the world. Whether you're a fitness guru, a tech enthusiast, or a creative artist, there's a niche waiting for your expertise. Now you might wonder, why virtual events? Well, let me tell you, the virtual landscape breaks down geographical barriers. You're not limited to a local audience. Your message can transcend borders and time zones. In the digital realm, your reach is boundless and the potential for impact is immeasurable. Virtual events offer a unique advantage: accessibility. Traditional events often come with logistical challenges, from venue constraints to travel expenses. But with virtual events on YouTube, anyone with an internet connection can join. No need for flights, hotel bookings, or lengthy commutes. This accessibility not only broadens your audience, but also ensures inclusivity, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to engage with your content. Furthermore, think about the environmental impact. By embracing virtual events, you contribute to a greener planet by reducing the carbon footprint associated with physical gatherings. It's a win-win, expanding your audience while being environmentally conscious. But let's not forget the most exciting aspect: monetization. Yes, you heard it right. You can turn your passion into profit by charging a fee for access to your virtual events. Whether you're sharing fitness tutorials, tech masterclasses, or engaging in live discussions on specific niche topics, your knowledge is valuable, and people are willing to invest in quality content that adds value to their lives. By hosting virtual events on YouTube, you unlock new revenue streams. This isn't just about views and ad revenue, it's about creating a sustainable income from your expertise. Your time, effort, and knowledge deserve to be rewarded, and virtual events provide the platform for you to do just that. Moreover, virtual events offer a level of flexibility that traditional events can't match. You have control over the schedule, format, and presentation style. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, you can cater to your audience's preferences. This flexibility extends to your audience as well. They can engage with your content at their convenience, increasing the likelihood of participation. The dynamic nature of virtual events allows you to experiment with various formats, keeping your content fresh and engaging. From interactive Q&A sessions to live demonstrations, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the freedom that virtual events on YouTube provide, and let your creativity shine. Now let's talk about the community. Virtual events foster a sense of community among your audience. Participants from different corners of the world can come together, share their experiences, and connect over common interests. This community-building aspect not only enhances the overall experience for your audience, but also creates a loyal following. Think of it as a global gathering of like-minded individuals eager to learn from you and each other. The connections formed during your virtual events can extend beyond the screen, creating a supportive network that amplifies the impact of your content. And here's the icing on the cake: the analytics. YouTube provides detailed analytics for your videos and live streams. You can gain insights into viewer demographics, engagement metrics, and more. This data is invaluable for refining your content strategy, understanding your audience better, and optimizing your virtual events for maximum impact. The analytics dashboard becomes your guide, helping you tailor your future events to meet the specific needs and preferences of your audience. It's not just about delivering content, it's about creating an immersive experience that resonates with your viewers. Hosting virtual events and workshops on YouTube is not just a trend, it's a transformative journey. It's about breaking free from limitations, connecting with a global audience, and turning your passion into a sustainable income. The virtual stage is set, the world is your audience, and the possibilities are limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of virtual events on YouTube, share your knowledge, inspire your audience, and embark on a journey of growth, both personally and professionally. The virtual realm is calling, and your unique voice deserves to be heard. Start hosting, start connecting, and let the magic unfold. The stage is yours. Unlocking revenue streams. Now let's talk about the exciting part, making money while doing what you love. By charging a fee for access to your virtual events, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're creating a sustainable income stream. This could include tutorials, masterclasses, or live discussions on specific topics within your niche. Now let's dive into the exciting part, unlocking revenue streams while doing what you love. By charging a fee for access to your virtual events, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're creating a sustainable income stream. This could include tutorials, masterclasses, or live discussions on specific topics within your niche. Imagine the satisfaction of turning your passion into a paycheck. Hosting virtual events on YouTube provides you with the platform to monetize your expertise directly. Your knowledge, skills, and unique perspective are valuable commodities, and people are eager to invest in quality content. By offering exclusive access to your virtual events for a fee, you establish a direct connection with your audience that goes beyond traditional methods of monetization. This model allows you to prioritize the quality and depth of your content, ensuring that your audience receives genuine value for their investment. But how do you set the right price for your virtual events? It's all about understanding the value you provide and recognizing the needs of your audience. Conduct market research, assess the demand for your niche, and consider the level of expertise you bring to the table. Remember, your virtual event isn't just an isolated experience, it's an investment in personal and professional growth for your audience. The value they gain from your content can translate into long-term loyalty, creating a community that appreciates the worth of what you offer. Additionally, diversifying your revenue streams through virtual events helps you build a more resilient income. Relying solely on ad revenue or sponsorships may have its limitations, but by incorporating paid virtual events, you're fortifying your financial stability and creating a sustainable business model. Think of your virtual events as premium experiences. Attendees are not just purchasing access, they are investing in an opportunity to learn, engage, and connect on a deeper level. Consider offering different tiers of access with varying perks. This could include exclusive Q&A sessions, downloadable resources, or even personalized interactions with you. Creating a tiered pricing structure not only caters to different budget ranges, but also enhances the overall value proposition. It allows your audience to choose the level of engagement that best suits their needs, creating a more personalized and rewarding experience for each participant. Furthermore, hosting paid virtual events enables you to allocate resources for higher production quality. Investing in better equipment, professional graphics, and engaging visuals enhances the overall experience, making it more enticing for your audience to invest in your virtual events. Now let's talk promotion. Effectively marketing your paid virtual events is crucial for maximizing attendance and revenue. Leverage all the tools at your disposal on YouTube. Create compelling trailers, share teaser clips, and utilize eye-catching thumbnails. Use your existing content to build anticipation and showcase the value attendees can expect. Collaborate with influencers or thought leaders in your niche to extend your reach. Partnering with others not only introduces your virtual events to new audiences, but also adds credibility and trust, encouraging more people to invest in the experience you offer. Consider offering early bird discounts or exclusive promotions to incentivize early registrations. This not only boosts initial signups, but also creates a sense of urgency, driving potential attendees to secure their spots before the event. It's essential to communicate the unique selling points of your virtual events. Highlight what sets your content apart and why it's worth the investment. Showcase testimonials or success stories from previous attendees to build credibility and trust. The more transparent and compelling your marketing efforts, the more likely your audience will see the value in what you're offering. Additionally, don't overlook the power of engagement. Interact with your audience through social media, community posts, and live sessions. Address their questions, build anticipation, and foster a sense of community around your virtual events. A connected and engaged audience is more likely to invest in and attend your paid virtual events. Unlocking revenue streams through virtual events on YouTube is not just about making money, it's about creating a sustainable and fulfilling journey. By charging a fee for access, you're not only valuing your expertise, but also providing your audience with an immersive and exclusive experience. So, embrace the opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Set the stage for premium virtual events. Establish a pricing strategy that reflects the value you provide, and market your events strategically. As you embark on this journey, Remember that the financial rewards are not just a reflection of your success, but also a testament to the impact you make on the lives of your audience. Your knowledge is your currency. Invest it wisely and watch as your virtual events become not just a source of income, but a beacon of inspiration for a global audience. The stage is set, the value is clear, and the revenue streams are waiting to be unlocked. Now let the world see the incredible worth of your expertise. The spotlight is yours. Crafting compelling content. The key to a successful virtual event is crafting compelling content. Share your unique perspective, tell your story, and provide value. Whether it's a step-by-step tutorial, an in-depth masterclass, or a live discussion on the latest industry trends, make sure your content is engaging and resonates with your audience. Let's start with the foundation. Understanding your audience. Know who they are, what they're interested in, and what challenges they face. Tailor your content to address their needs and aspirations. By doing so, you create a connection that goes beyond the screen, making your virtual event a personalized and meaningful experience. Moreover, inject your personality into your content. Don't be afraid to showcase your quirks, humor, or unique perspective. Authenticity is magnetic, and it's what sets your virtual event apart. Your audience is not just here for information, they're here for you. Share your story, your journey, and the lessons you've learned. This personal touch creates a bond that transforms your virtual event from a mere presentation into a shared experience. Consider the format of your virtual event. Depending on your niche and audience preferences, you might opt for a step-by-step tutorial, breaking down complex concepts into easily digestible segments. Alternatively, an in-depth masterclass could provide a deep dive into a specific topic, showcasing your expertise and knowledge. Live discussions are another powerful format. Engage with your audience in real time, answering questions and addressing concerns. The spontaneity of live discussions adds an element of excitement and immediacy, creating a dynamic experience that keeps your audience hooked. Remember, variety is key. Mix up your content formats to cater to different learning styles and preferences. Keep your audience on their toes, eager to see what you have in store for them. Now let's talk about providing value. Your virtual event should be a treasure trove of insights and knowledge. Ensure that every segment contributes meaningfully to your audience's understanding or skill set. Don't just scratch the surface. Dive deep into the intricacies of your topic. Consider offering practical takeaways that your audience can apply in their lives or professions immediately. This not only enhances the learning experience, but also solidifies the value of your content. Whether it's a downloadable resource, a checklist, or a step-by-step guide, make sure your audience leaves with tangible benefits. Encourage interaction during your virtual event. Incorporate Q&A sessions, polls, or live chats to create an engaging and participatory atmosphere. This not only adds an interactive element, but also ensures that your content is tailored to the specific interests and questions of your audience. The visual and auditory aspects of your content are equally crucial. Invest in quality production to deliver a polished and professional experience. Clear audio, high-definition video, and visually appealing graphics enhance the overall engagement and comprehension of your content. Consider the pacing of your virtual event. Keep it dynamic and engaging, avoiding long periods of monologue without interaction. Use visuals, anecdotes, and examples to illustrate your points, keeping your audience captivated throughout. Embrace the power of storytelling. Weave narratives into your content that resonate with your audience emotionally. Stories have the ability to make complex topics relatable and memorable, leaving a lasting impact on your viewers. Rehearse and refine your content before going live. Practice not only ensures smooth delivery, but also helps you gauge the timing and flow of your virtual event. Pay attention to audience feedback from previous events and incorporate improvements to enhance the overall experience. Stay current with industry trends and updates. Your virtual event is an opportunity to showcase your expertise, and staying on the cutting edge adds credibility to your content. Whether it's incorporating the latest technologies, sharing recent case studies, or discussing emerging trends, keeping your content relevant positions you as a thought leader in your niche. Lastly, be open to feedback. Your audience's insights are invaluable for continuous improvement. Create avenues for them to share their thoughts and experiences, fostering a collaborative and evolving community around your virtual events. Crafting compelling content for your virtual events is an art and a science. It's about understanding your audience, infusing authenticity, experimenting with diverse formats, and providing substantial value. Your virtual stage is a canvas. Paint it with your unique perspective and watch as your content becomes a beacon of inspiration for a global audience. So, as you embark on the journey of hosting virtual events on YouTube, remember that each piece of content is an opportunity to make a lasting impression. Be passionate, be authentic, and above all, be dedicated to delivering an experience that not only educates but also inspires and resonates with your audience. The stage is set, the content is your masterpiece. Now let the world witness the brilliance of your virtual events. The spotlight is yours. Building a community. One of the most rewarding aspects of hosting virtual events is building a community. Encourage interaction, answer questions live, and create a space where like-minded individuals can connect. A strong community not only enhances the virtual event experience, but also leads to long-term success. Monetization strategies. Let's talk about the different ways you can monetize your virtual events. From tiered ticket pricing to exclusive access packages, offer a variety of options for your audience. Consider partnerships with brands, integrate affiliate marketing, and explore sponsorship opportunities to maximize your revenue. Success stories. To inspire you further, let's delve into a few success stories. We've seen creators in various niches turn their passion into a thriving online business through virtual events. Their stories are a testament to the power of dedication, creativity, and the endless possibilities that hosting virtual events on YouTube can bring. Overcoming challenges. Now it's essential to address the challenges. From technical issues to audience engagement, every journey has its obstacles. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay adaptable, seek feedback, and continuously refine your approach to create even more impactful virtual events. Closing words. As we wrap up today's session, I want you to envision the incredible journey ahead. Hosting virtual events on YouTube isn't just about making money. It's about leaving a lasting impact on your audience. So unleash your potential, share your knowledge, and let your passion become your paycheck. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.